Hello, and welcome to today's video where we'll be delving into the fantastic feature of Quick Reply. Let's get started by opening WhatsApp Web with the Eazybe extension already installed. To access Quick Reply, simply locate and click on the Quick Reply option. Upon clicking, you'll notice two sections, Personal and Shared Quick Replies. Personal Quick Replies are visible only to us, while Shared Quick Replies can be shared within our organization. Creating a quick reply is straightforward. Click on Add, give your message a name, such as Good Morning, and write the message content. You can even attach files if needed. Once done, click on Create, and your quick reply is ready to use. When you want to send the quick reply, open the Quick Reply menu, select the desired reply, and with a single click, your message is sent instantly. This feature provides a swift and efficient way to respond to messages, saving time and ensuring prompt communication.